follow me as I digitally scrapbook my son's destination wedding album, Part 3. This is the third layout in my series of pages for my son's destination wedding album. And again, I went to a simple template by Katie Petite of Katie Petite Designs. And this is similar to the page that will be on the opposite side with the Polaroid picture frames. Because it is of the same location. We're still at Sapphire Beach, but this time I wanted to showcase more of the activities we were doing. So once I put in the pictures, I found some paper that totally mimicked the photo at the top perfectly, of the sand and the waves. And then I decided to call this Island Vibes. So I did take the preset title off, and I deleted that layer and added Island Vibes in font that matches Sapphire Beach on the opposite page. And I wanted it to be at a diagonal and across one end, touching one side to the other side. I decided to go with black for the color of the font, and then worked on the journaling, on the captions for each photo. And this was an iguana that totally surprised us. He popped out of a tree and just scared my mom practically out of her seat. And then here's Taylor and Ryan having some fun in the water, and me with the happy couple, and my daughter with her boyfriend being silly. And yes, besides iguanas, there were chickens on the beach, if you can believe it. Just happy at home. And also another picture from the two playing around. And the big photo features my daughter with her boyfriend. So of course I couldn't leave the layout just as is, even though it would have been perfectly fine. I added some elements from the same Down by the Shore kit from Sweet Shop Designs that I had used on the other page. I tried a little starfish charm there, but decided I didn't like it that much. Decided to put a little driftwood sign, gave it a drop shadow, kind of like that. Added a little red starfish, trying to find the perfect spot for it. Added a drop shadow, and then I saw this beach sign that I thought I liked better than the ocean one, so I adjusted the layers to put it back behind the little ribbon and added the drop shadow and replaced that. And then I added some twine just for kind of a beachy tropical effect. Tuck that behind, off the edge of the page and behind some of the Polaroids. And then I added this cute little saying, sandy toes and sun-kissed nose. Isn't that cute? And I was looking for some stitches and found these wavy stitches that I thought were a lot of fun, and added them to the bottom of the page there. And found another little driftwood sign that said seaside, and placed that amongst the photos. Added my date, and then I went back to the title and wanted to play around. I just wasn't sure about the black. So played with a couple different colors, but I decided to go with the color of Leo's trunks. I just thought that made a nice pop of color there. And so this is the finished layout. I hope you enjoyed watching, and please stay tuned for part 4 as we continue my son's destination wedding album. Thanks for watching.